So there we have it, the announcement is done. We are seeing the Sony A7R4 in all its glory. What do you think about that? Well, world's first 35mm full frame 61 megapixel image sensor. You got your 15 stop dynamic range, 10 frames a second continue autofocus, 567 phase detection AF points, and that basically covers the entire lot when you're in APS-C mode. Real-time IAF, real-time tracking AF, 4K movie recording. Doesn't look like it's going to be 10-bit or 4K 60 though, so this is not going to be for video, mainly for stills. Multi-interface shoe with digital audio interface. Yeah, they were showing quite a lot of that digital audio interface. They've got some new mics coming along as well. 5.5 stops of the image stabilization, 5.76 million dot viewfinder, faster data transfer, USB-C, Wi-Fi 2.4 gigs, and 5 upgraded grip as well. Let's have another look. There's the grip, $400 for that. The digital microphone, 8 pickups. Professional movie mode, but like I said, nothing about 10-bit or 4K 60 unfortunately. So if you wanted this to be the hybrid with all your video features as well, it's not going to be the one for you. But if you are into your still portraits, then get your pre-order in early. Going to be priced at $3,500 US or 4,500 Canadian. So I'm guessing that's going to probably be 3,500 pounds, or well, with the way things are going, maybe even more. We shall see about that. Now this does do IAF in video, which is pretty much the only huge massive feature upgrade that the video side of things got. If that's important to you, then by all means go for it, but it's just, I don't know, it's just not enough for me in regards to the video side. But hey, where's the A7S3? Seems to have been left out. Could something big be coming? We know that there are some more cameras to be announced within the next few months. But if you're pro stills, landscapes, portraits, then yeah, you've got a new puppy in town. As usual guys, it's been emotional.